The easiest and most popular way to connect Mailchimp to WordPress is by using a free WordPress plugin. Step-by-step guide. Install the plugin log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Add New. Search for Mailchimp for WordPress. MC4WP. Install and activate it. Get your Mailchimp API key log into your Mailchimp account. Click your profile, account, extras, API keys. Click Create a key, give it a name, and copy the API key. Connect Mailchimp. In WordPress, go to Mailchimp for WP or MC4WP in the left menu. Paste your API key into the field and click Save Changes. Create a sign-up form. Go to Mailchimp for WP, Forms, Add New. Select your audience list, customize fields, name, email, etc., and design the form. Click Save Form. Add the form to your site. Copy the shortcode and paste it into any page, post, or sidebar widget. You can also use the Gutenberg Mailchimp block.